Looking at the timeline here, it seems like we had plenty of time to prepare for this, but we really didn't, and you'll see why here. Okay, so this amendment to the Waste Framework Directive was published in May of 2018. But we didn't actually receive any kind of actionable information from the European Chemicals Agency until September of 2019, when they released the first database specification. And that's the first time we saw what kind of data we were required to submit. Up until then, we had no idea. So from May 2018 to September 2019, the industry could not take any action at all to prepare. Okay. Then in October 2019, because the European Chemicals Agency created the database specification without any input with industry whatsoever, they launched an IT user group team with industry stakeholders. And that is the team that Amy mentioned. I'm a member of that team. There are other stakeholders on there, industry groups, solution providers, large companies represented on this team. And the idea is that the team was supposed to work with the European Chemicals Agency to test this new portal, this new database, provide input, and help to put together kind of an understanding of how the data is loaded and what the processes are. Fast forward to July of 2020, and GreenSoft actually begins collecting the data from suppliers in support of this requirement. So you can see there was a 9-month period between when the user group was launched and when the data started being collected. Suppliers obviously weren't ready to support this prior to July 2020, so we couldn't actually get collecting earlier. Besides, we needed all those months that we were spending in the IT user group for the industry to come to an understanding of actually what data we need to collect and provide. Then in October 2020, finally, the production SCIP database is launched by the European Chemicals Agency, and GreenSoft customers began submitting their SCIP notifications as soon as that was launched. And then a couple weeks later, GreenSoft launches the SCIP module, which is a module for the GDM software, Green Data Manager software, that allows direct submissions and management of submissions to the portal from within GreenSoft software. And then finally, in January 2021, the SCIP notifications become mandatory for all articles with reportable SVHCs before they are made available on the EU market. So when we look at this flow, we can see that although, hey, this started in 2018, why is the supply chain struggling to be ready? Well, we really didn't even get started on this until 2020. That's when we really had enough information to start moving down the runway.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.